Hi, this is Holly Olson, and this is Enhancement 9. I've got my mouse trap, and then I have the extra thumbnails. I have not finished on my CSS because I have to leave, and I wanted to get this done before I left, so I did not forget. And also, if we look in explosives and small bombs, it shows the thumbnails. Excuse me. Now, it validates with CSS. It has errors with HTML, and I've checked these all out. This is in my header, and if I take that out, it makes the home button down lower, so I left that in. Also, it doesn't like that I'm using the ID big twice, and it says I have a lot of extra divs, and that is because of the thumbnails. And then it says that I don't have a closing tag for main, but I do, because if we go here and into product details, you can see I do have a close for my main. So there's that. Here I'm showing you, this is my full size. It's 500 pixels. And this is my thumbnail, and it's 200 pixels. And then I need to show you in here that it has, I am in my images data folder, and it shows you that each has the regular size and a thumbnail. Oh, well, it doesn't show my thumbnail for my seed, but if you go to images over here, it has my thumbnail for my seed. I'll have to check into that. I hope you have had a great week and that you can continue to enjoy your week.